the home collections from the lab or from the CRM. So you can take your bookings from here, or you can also take bookings from the CRM. Once the booking is done, it will show up in this list where you can assign to the phlebotomist the person who will be going to the visit. Once a phlebotomist visit has been assigned, that will show up in the phlebotomist app. So in the phlebotomist app, you enter your username and password. This is same as what you enter while logging into the online platform. You see the details over here. Get started. Now all the assigned visits will be shown to the phlebotomist in the assign tab. You can click on the visit. You can navigate using the navigate option, add more tests. So the app allows you to add more tests, and once he's ready to start, he can just mark the visit as started. So I have now started the trip. So now the visit has been started, and it will show an ongoing notification. You can, as you're going to the visit, you can navigate using the app. So it will show the phlebotomist how to get to the place using the map, and he can also add more tests directly from the app. So the test will be added to the bill, and he can also call the patient if he is not able to find the address directly from the app itself. Once he reaches to the patient site or the place where you need to collect the samples, he can click on collect sample, where you can see all the samples over here. You can use collect all to collect all the samples, or you can use the scan barcode option to scan pre-printed. So you can use pre-printed barcodes to collect the sample ID. Once you have collected the samples, you can mark the sample as collected. And now once the samples are collected, you can collect payment, or you can just mark as complete, but it will show a prompt that you need to collect payment. So you just click on collect payment. I'll select the payment mode as UPI amount which is to be collected. So the payment is now collected, and then you can mark it as complete. So the visit will be marked as done, and it will show in the visit done tab. All the activities will be shown in the activity timeline, so you know when the phlebotomist was assigned and when the visit was started. So all the details are available for the lab and can track all the activities from a single page.